Tired of dealing with dry, brittle hair that feels lifeless and rough? Imagine running your fingers through strands that are soft, silky, and full of natural shine. OGX Renewing Argan Oil of Morocco Shampoo promises just that: hydration, repair, and renewal all in one bottle. This shampoo isn't just about cleansing. It's about transforming your hair's health and appearance with every wash. What sets this shampoo apart is its powerful yet gentle formula. Free from parabens and sulfates, it cleanses without stripping your hair of essential moisture. The cold-pressed Moroccan argan oil penetrates deeply to lock in hydration, repairing damage while improving strength and elasticity. Over time, your hair feels softer, looks shinier, and gains a natural bounce that's hard to ignore. Plus, the fresh citrus, floral green, and woody scent leaves your hair smelling as good as it looks. I've personally seen the difference this shampoo makes. After years of trying various products, OGX Renewing Argan Oil of Morocco Shampoo stands out for its nourishing ingredients and consistent results. It's a cruelty-free choice that supports healthier hair without harsh chemicals. If you're ready to ditch dry, dull strands for good, this shampoo is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to experience hair that feels truly renewed.